Hey, awesome people. So, you've probably heard about these cool things called omega-3 fatty acids, right? They're like superheroes for your body and brain, and nutrition folks always say they're super good for you. But why exactly are they so great? Well, in today's video, we're diving into the science-backed perks of omega-3s. Can they help kids with ADHD? What about keeping your brain sharp as you get older? Oh, and do they do anything for those crampy days? Plus, we'll check out if they're buddies with battling feelings like sadness and anxiety. We've got the scoop on all of this and more. But hey, before we jump in, hit that subscribe button for more goodness and ring that notification bell. Let's get started. 1. Reduces ADHD symptoms in children. Let's talk about omega-3s and how they can be like superheroes for kids with ADHD. Now, ADHD is when kids have trouble paying attention and can be super hyper. Research found that kids with ADHD might have less omega-3s in their blood than those without ADHD. But here's the cool part. Omega-3s can actually help improve attention and make it easier to finish tasks. They're like little helpers that reduce hyperactivity and impulsiveness. Some smart researchers even found that taking fish oil, which has omega-3s, can be a big help for kids with ADHD. It's like giving their brains a boost. Okay, let's make getting omega-3s for your kiddos super easy. If they're not big fans of fish, no worries. You can cook fish like salmon in a yummy way, like with teriyaki or honey barbecue. Try making salmon sliders, cakes, or nuggets using canned salmon. Kids love those. But here's the thing. How much fish they need depends on how old they are, and it's crucial to pick fish that's low in mercury. Don't worry if fish isn't their thing. You can use flaxseed oil. Mix a teaspoon into a smoothie or spread it on toast with peanut butter. No flaxseed oil? No problem. Try ground flax seeds in muffins, soups, or on chicken before baking. 2. Fights age-related mental decline. Alright, let's talk about growing older and how omega-3s can be like superheroes for your brain. Getting older is just a normal part of life, and sometimes, as we age, our minds might not work as sharp as before. But guess what? Studies found that folks who get more omega-3s can actually lower their chances of getting Alzheimer's disease, which is a type of mental decline. And here's the cool part. Taking omega-3 supplements can also be a big help, like giving your brain a boost to stay sharp. So, think of omega-3s as little protectors for your brain as you age. 3. Alleviates menstrual pain. Okay, let's talk about something many women go through, the pain during their period. It can be a real hassle, making your lower belly, thighs, and lower back ache a lot. Sometimes it's so bad that doing regular stuff becomes tough. Now, here's the cool news. Research found that if you eat more omega-3s, the pain during your period might not be as bad. In fact, in one study, omega-3 supplements were even better at easing the pain than ibuprofen, which is a common pain reliever. So, think of omega-3s as little helpers, making that time of the month a bit easier to handle. 4. Fights depression and anxiety. Let's talk about feeling down or worried, depression and anxiety. Depression is when you feel really sad and lose interest in things, while anxiety makes you worry a lot, even about everyday stuff. Now, here's some good news. Omega-3s can be like happy helpers for your mood. People who eat more omega-3s are often less sad or anxious. In one study, those who took omega-3 supplements saw less anxiety, and another study found that omega-3s were just as good as medication in making people feel less depressed. So, think of omega-3s as little mood boosters, helping you feel brighter and less worried. 5. Improve risk factors for heart disease. Around the world, heart attacks and strokes are two of the most common causes of death. To reduce the risk of heart disease, it's important you get enough omega-3 fatty acids in your daily diet. Fish-eating communities tend to have lower rates of heart disease, and the credit goes to omega-3s. Omega-3 fatty acids can increase good cholesterol levels, as well as reduce triglycerides and blood pressure. 6. Fights inflammation. When your body is attacked by infections or suffer an injury, inflammation is its natural defense response. Inflammation in itself is vital for keeping you healthy. But sometimes the inflammation doesn't go away, even when there's no injury or infection. This is referred to as long-term inflammation. Long-term inflammation can be harmful to your overall health and cause chronic illnesses, such as heart disease and cancer. Research has shown that omega-3 fatty acids can be effective in lowering your inflammation levels. 7. May help prevent cancer. One of the leading causes of death is cancer, and omega-3 can help reduce your chances of getting it. Research has shown that people who consume more omega-3 fatty acids have a 55% less chance of getting colon cancer. Similarly, omega-3s can lower your chances of prostate cancer among men and breast cancer among women. 8. May improve bone and joint health. Want to improve your bone health? Eat foods that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Research shows that omega-3s can improve your bone strength. They do so by increasing your calcium content. Considering that osteoporosis and arthritis are common diseases that affect people, omega-3s can reduce this risk. If you do have arthritis, studies have shown that omega-3 fatty acids can help with treatment. In one study, taking omega-3 supplements helped reduce pain in the patient's joints, as well as improve their grip strength. 9. Good for your skin. One of the components of your skin which keeps your cells happy is DHA. This is a type of omega-3 fatty acid. This component is necessary as cell membranes form a large part of your skin. When your cell membranes are healthy, the result is soft and wrinkle-free skin. Another type of omega-3 is EPA, which studies have shown can help block substances that take collagen from your skin, especially after it has been exposed to the sun. 10. Can improve eye health. DHA is an important structural component of your retinas. When your body does not receive enough DHA, you will have problems seeing. Research has shown that consuming enough omega-3 fatty acids can reduce the risk of macular degeneration. This particular issue is one of the main reasons for blindness and damage to your eye. In a study, babies who were given formula with DHA had better eyesight than babies who weren't. 11. Can promote brain health. During pregnancy and early life, another advantage of DHA is that it makes up about 40% of the polyunsaturated fatty acids in your brain. This is why pregnant women need a lot of omega-3s. Research has shown that getting enough omega-3s while pregnant can benefit the child in various ways. This includes faster development, as well as reduced risk of ADHD and autism. They also seem to exhibit higher intelligence and better social skills. 12. Can fight autoimmune diseases. When you suffer from autoimmune diseases, your immune system attacks healthy cells, mistaking them for foreign bodies. One of where the body attacks the pancreas, and specifically the cells that produce insulin. Omega-3 fatty acids are key to making sure you do not get these diseases. They are especially important in the early years of your life. Research suggests that getting enough omega-3 fatty acids in your first year can help reduce the chances of autoimmune disease. Studies also show omega-3 fatty acids can be an effective treatment for lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, Crohn's disease, and psoriasis. 13. Reduced symptoms of metabolic syndrome. If you have a collection of conditions like high blood pressure, insulin resistance, belly fat, and high triglycerides, you likely have metabolic syndrome. It's a big health concern as it increases your chances of getting chronic diseases like diabetes and heart attacks. The good news is omega-3 fatty acids can help reduce symptoms metabolic syndrome. They improve your insulin resistance and reduce risk factors for getting heart diseases. You already know that fatty fish is one of the best sources of omega-3s. For vegetarians, there's flaxseed. Have I sparked your interest? Are you planning on getting more omega-3s after watching this video? Let us know in the comments.